Alright, David Harry here, and in this video I'm going to show you how to switch on hidden system files and hidden system folders within Windows 10, and also how to switch on just general hidden files and general hidden folders also within Windows 10. Now, just a big word of warning here: once you switch these options on, it will allow you to see system files and system folders which, if you delete or move certain ones, will definitely wreck your Windows setup and stop your Windows from booting. So if you see any files that you don't know what they are, do not move them and do not delete them, because you may ruin your Windows setup. Only use this to delete or move certain files and folders that you are absolutely positive are not needed by Windows and indeed are necessary to perform other functions. So with that said, let me just show you quickly on my C drive that we can't see any files. So I'm just going to go to my C drive here, to the root of it. Now, as we can see, there are no files at all that we can see. However, there are a whole bunch of files there. It's just that they are hidden right now. Also as well, these folders here are not the total amount of folders available on that C drive. There are more folders there which at present are hidden. So what we're going to do then is unhide all the stuff that's on the root of the C drive. So the first thing that we need to do is come down to the search bar at the bottom here, and we need to type in File Explorer Options. Now, as I start typing this in, it will probably already come up because I've already searched for it. However, if you've never searched for it before, there's a chance you may have to type in the entire phrase. So just go ahead and type in File Explorer Options. So File Explorer Options. Then what should happen is you should see at the top of that search result File Explorer Options. So just click once on that, and then that will bring up the main tabs here for the File Explorer Options. Now, what you need to do from here is go to View. So click on View. Now let me just drag my C drive a bit closer here so we can see both of them at the same time. So what I will do, as I'm doing this, I will show you that suddenly things will start appearing on the root of my C drive. So as we can see here, I've got an option that says Show Hidden Files, Folders and Drives. So I'm just going to tick on that. Then I will hit Apply. Then all of a sudden, as we've just seen, a few other little folders have popped up here within my folder list for the root of my C drive. So that's exactly what I needed to see. Now, to see the rest of the stuff, what we're going to have to do is untick this option here that says Hide Protected Operating System Files. It says recommended there. It means recommended to leave it switched on, not to switch it off. However, we need to see all the stuff that's in the root of C. So what I'm going to do now is untick that. It'll warn us, but we know what we're doing here, so we're going to tick yes. Again, just be careful. And then I will click Apply. Now suddenly we've seen a whole bunch of other files pop up and a few other folders as well. Now for me personally, I needed to do this because I need to get at this hiberfile.sys thing here, this one that says hiberfile.sys, because there is a tutorial that I'll be doing about the same time as this one in which I want to delete this, and I'll explain why that is, and anybody who wants to delete that file will also need to do this as well, and they will know why they want to do this. Okay, so there we have it then. That's just a very simple, straightforward tutorial on how to unhide certain files and system folders and stuff like that. But like I say, and I'm sorry to be a pain with this, don't do it if you don't know why you're doing it, and also don't go deleting or moving anything if you don't know what those files or folders are used for. Anyways, if you found this video helpful in any way, please give it a thumbs up. Also consider subscribing to my channel and clicking on that bell notification icon. I'm David Harry. Thank you very much for watching this video. Take care and goodbye now.